Guys, it's Dogging Cat #6 showing you guys how to do a latch hook. Obviously need a latch hook canvas board. Also yarn to a latch hook. Look at an illustration that I am using for mine are white, sky blue, dark yellow, dark gray, lavender, jade, peach, and you take your color, I'm using jade for this one, and you get it to as close as even and you fold it over that little bar and then you close it and pull and then it will knot it on the column and then do that again. So you take your yarn, make it as even as possible, pull up, and as you're pulling up you want to pull your latch hook down, cross it over and fold that in and then pull down and it will create your knot for you. And I don't really, it is sometimes useful to, if you don't have the illustration on the canvas board, to cross it off as you go. But I don't like that because then I get confused. So what I'm doing is I'm just doing it by visual. And so, yeah, I'll just show you a couple times, telling you guys how to make it. Back when my latch hook design is all finished. This is what my finished latch hook design turned out to be. Comment, like, and subscribe.